Active Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking a look at ticker symbol VRX, that's Valeant Pharmaceuticals. Been a while since I've done a VRX analysis. It's about time we had this thing in play again. Today was indeed a great day for VRX. Let's go over those pivot points. We only have 3 ones to take a look at today. Fairly straightforward, but as long as these pivot points hold, the trend is going to be up, and the chart's going to be looking really well. So that first one at the top is going to be $22.88 right here. $22.88. Now there was some resistance also around $22.85, so let's just keep in mind this pivot point is really basically around $22.85, $22.88. Next area we're going to be taking a look at is right below that. That's going to be $22.60. $22.60. That's this middle pivot point, and finally at the bottom we have $22.20. So $22.85, $22.60, $22.20. Nice and straightforward. And these are going to be the main pivot points. Like I said, if these hold, even if we fall down to $22.20, the trend is still going to be up very nicely for the day, and this thing will definitely still be in play. Incidentally, you'll see that that 20-period moving average is lining up right around that $22.20 mark. So if we do fall there, there's a chance that we see a convergence of the 13 and 20-period averages, but we'll still be far above that 50-period average. It'll probably work its way up a bit, but it'll still be far below that $22.20 area, which is great. I don't remember if I mentioned the chart, by the way. This is going to be a 15-minute chart. Each candlestick on this chart representing 15 minutes of trading. Maybe I said that already, but I can't really remember, honestly, if I did or not. So just keep that in mind. Now, I will mention that VRX did test 2280, that 2285, 88 area, a few times throughout the day, towards the end of the day. And we were watching this thing for a run on the break of 2288. And indeed, it did break 2288/85, ran all the way up to 23, and even made a high of the day at 23.15. Now, at the end of the day, the last about 15 minutes of the trading period, this thing was just flying. Now, if you were watching it and you were watching the level 2, you would have seen those bids all coming in, all stacking. A lot of people were chasing this thing, but the momentum was there for a nice end-of-day scalp. And indeed, some profits were made even at the very end of the day, right here, the last 30 minutes of the day or so, specifically the last 15 minutes where this thing really just took off. Really good end of the day for VRX and a great day overall. RSI, we'll take a look at that next. So we'll see where we went overbought and then where we broke down from overbought. You'll see that we indeed, let me make that a little more clean. Went overbought on that candle, closed there. Next area, closed there. So indeed, much higher overbought area. And where we went overbought here, not quite as steep of an incline as this area, but still a higher overbought area. So not only were we making the higher lows, we had lows here, lows here, lows here, lows here, and here, but we were also making much higher overbought areas. So this trend is definitely still up. The averages are looking great, and as long as we stay above 22.20, even if we dip below 88/85, 22.60, this thing could definitely be in play for a day trade tomorrow. So keep an eye on VRX. We're going to be going over those plays in the chat room at activeinvestors.net. You're welcome to join us there if you like. Otherwise, if you have any questions about this play, feel free to comment on this video. I'll definitely be taking a look at what you guys have to say. I'll catch you in the next analysis. Have a good one.